we are going to the bird section, and there is quite a huge variety of birds.
Yeah, there's even owls.
Follow us here.
Owls,
The giant parrots. Yeah, it's
This way.
yeah, a lot of birds.
There's huge crowd today.
Yes, you can show that.
I got M tattoo.
The M tattoo.
From upside down, it might look like a W.
Tattoo.
K.
Tattoo haram?
And here's my
No.
tattoos.
A million.
Go.
This can be easily removed.
Just going to have a cup of tea.
Which we bring from our home.
Yeah, it is like our fuel. We need.
Is it dried? Dried?
Yes.
I kind of feel seasick after the boat.
This sounds like kill, man.
It's not like seasick. You can say like a water phobia. I do have a water phobia.
It's okay if you look up, you can check your brain, but if you look down, it's scary.
Yeah, looking down is scary. Even if in the boat you are not looking at the water, it's not that scary. But if you look at the water, then it's scary. And there's a small kid dancing, and they're making video of it. And look at the kid. He's a future TikToker. Oh, he just went ahead.
They caught him.
He's like all going back and suffering all time.
He's like, I'm gonna go home. Bye bye. Yeah,
So,
as you can see, man, whatever this is, domes type stuff.
I know what it is.
yeah.
All this pain and suffering all time.
Yes, you are right. Okay, don't use the grass to walk. It's written there.
You walk on grass.
Don't use the grass to walk on. They say just walk on the tracks, not on the grass.
Maybe there's a mine thing. Mine bomb.
Go.
No, it's not a mine. Hold this for a minute.
People are walking around.
Hold it. Tam khunushutli.
Recording on.
Okay. Oh,
We are now going to the bird.
so wait. Our camera woman is tired now. She is asking to sit somewhere. And this small fellow also, I guess he's tired.
I feel energetic. I want to run around the bird cage and down. Eagle.
Eagle le.
Don't click on it. Huge eagle.
It's
White
not an
eagle.
it's a falcon.
Falcon.
Yeah, it's a falcon.
It's a falcon. Falcon food.
Second food trash.
Copyright.
Play.
So this is a small shop.
Sells
They have got
cosmetics.
some type of
Traditional
cosmetics
bags.
and some handicrafts,
Toys.
some handmade bags,
And some toys.
and some toys, some glasses, and some handbags.
That's some nice.
Yeah. It's not like totally the handicraft thing.
Pause. Now we are taking some
Backflips.
break for rest.
Wait for rest.
Rest. Break.
We are going to bird fed. We are going to the bird cage.
It's not the bird cage, Bache.
Bird
The
cage.
house.
Yeah.
Bird place. Bird house.
Yeah, and then we're going to
Yeah.
The harbor house is already there in the
The real one is the
Do
park.
you want to have some dahi bade
No, no, no.
I prefer this.
or golgappe?
Golgappe.
Our most favorite golgappa.
Chana, chana, go.
Pani puri. Indians say it. Pani puri. And then this.
But first we need to go there. Phone ka photo niya ni Priti basta birds park. Oh,
Yeah, I had the huge bird park. There are pillars supporting it. And outside it is like, what is it called?
adults 300. Should get down.
800. Because
Always on now we are going to enter birds house, birds park.
aviary. World's third largest park in aviary.
जी बात तो आप पीछे रखते
Bird feed there. Oh, yeah. Bird feed.
Bird feeds.
Tell me which are birds out there. Because I don't know where this is.
हो two पूरा दी two
Yeah, that's enough.
120
120.
do it a bit quick.
Also,
Will you feed yourself or the birds? Will you feed yourself or the birds?
The bird.
Make it quick. Let us out.
Roll.
Come here.
I'll throw the seeds to them. Ducks.
No, 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 no.
Let's go. We'll have some more birds. They're open.
पूजा हो गई
Let's go.
बस बस
Let's see.
Can I hold it?
Yes.
Ducky, ducky.
Abala bara si kautara.
Ulu ba?
Das na si das.
Ulu ka.
Sama ro ka chini.
Can you see ducks?
You can say the vultures.
Flamingo.
Flamingos. Are they vultures or flamingos?
Flamingo. Feed them.
Yeah, they're flamingos, not vultures.
Yeah. Come on. Those are them. What are they? Are they vultures? Oh, yeah.
Peacock, peacock.
I'm scared, man. What the heck is this chicken?
Yeah, that is a big chicken. Put it in your hand like this.
I don't know how to.
Like this.
They're hurt me.
No.
Okay, that was a bit too much.
Hmm?
This guy will be. Oh, parrot escaped. See the parrot down there? Oh, yeah. Two parrots escaped.
No, relax, no. Peacock में नहीं.
Throw it to them.
Yes.
Yes.
It.
A bit more. You don't even see it.
Oh, okay.
These are for small birds. This bird food is for small birds, not the bigger ones.
But they do eat a bit.
Yes,
Yeah.
they. Peacock is dancing.
The blue and green.
Woo! Oh my god. Wait. One time.
It's not like that.
खड़तनी रानी थोड़ी अदा से खतरनाक थी.
What the heck?
They eat like this.
Then they started eating it so fast. Just like baby Bablu. Boys, spinning. That looks so cool. It's a blue one.
Yeah.
Very vibrant. Hey, Mario!
I guess he's enjoying the song.
They're trying to see out the face.
Oh, there's a fall.
Ostrich.
Look how special.
He's dancing. Should I throw some to him?
Yes, yes, yes. He is hungry.
Oh. Donation, donation.
They are hungry. Shata bal raha hai.
Wait. Second pelican. This is a vulture.
No, it's not a vulture.
Eat. A lot of it just fell on your back, don't
He
you?
just want a Spanish. Spanish. They love to eat spinach.
Spanish or
Spinach.
Ducky white.
Oh, look at that one. The perfect duck.
Come.
Modern.
Baba.
Chickens have a tail.
Maybe this way for last time.
Raju.
Chicken.
White chickens.
Sprinkle it like your Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah, that's it.
Ah,
The sound is
they
so
were
unique.
singing.
They only eat the corns from there. Don't finish them.
Mine is about to end. This I don't know.
No.
You can see some rabbits.
Why
Rabbits are here.
Why did the
No,
birds invade
the
the
duck
rabbit?
just ran away.
Why did they invade the rabbit?
And they are.
Oh,
Mother.
Eu já estava a te dizer o frio. Mas ele já não chal que tá.
Yeah, it's a gun. This is. That's easy.
cute bunga pussy. They waddled away just like ducks.
Another peacock.
Freestyle ulama.
No.
Come.
Peacock, let's see it.
Peacock.
Alright.
Come on.
Mama das ba kilo tirashi was rana ke gurega bala. Let's go down.
Toma.
It's a big peacock.
What the heck? It's a real rawak.
Chuck Honul.
Dadaw magkukhabari.
Oh, bird.
It's really beautiful.
Michael Jackson.
It's so beautiful.
Something like that. Michael Jackson.
Their beak looks like it was a frisbee before. Bro is shooting an auto flipper.
Daw, tawulam.
Nah, they eat popcorn.
This one goes with people.
Like a lion bar.
And they usually stand on one foot.
Oh my god.
And they sleep on one foot as well.
I see it. I see them.
Are you Fashi?
Akashi. Palu.
They sound like far.
They're sitting down. That ostrich. Oh, look at these parrots. Come. Look at these parrots, man.
Which crow is sitting on
The big ones.
Which crow is sitting on the ostrich?
अंचर में तो उगरा है सुपर हीरो बात को आला.
What?
Play.
These are the big ostriches now. Oh, that's not a donkey, it's a pony.
What the heck?
Look at this.
A peacock.
Lots of birds.
Small parrots. Pony.
Play.
Oh!
Can we come there?
Yeah, and there is an owl. Just have a look on this owl. He's sleeping all the time. Oh,
White peacock.
They have such long. The owl doesn't even care, he's just sitting.
Shut the sheriff Stoguri.
oh.
Sheriff Stoguri.
Owl doesn't even care, it's just
Give it to me.
sitting.
Oh, I see the owl, but yeah.
Stoguri.
Oh, so this is a beautiful creature.
Nakhri
Owl.
kai.
Yeah, he's listening.
Yes. Hello. How are you, owl?
Wait, you look at me.
And it's, I guess, the most
He
clever.
just doesn't want.
Play, Shuda.
So look at this pony, such a cute one. There is one more, but I guess he went there.
I think so, 2, 3 there.
Look at this red one.
Rare chicken.
MashaAllah, so beautiful.
Yeah, rare.
Oh, that chicken. There.
I don't know if it's a chicken or something.
The white peacock is coming here.
Whoa, the long
Give him-
tail.
Watch it. To khara ko to watch it.
Give him some. Look down. Whoa. Does it hurt?
Okay, let's go to some.
Golden chicken.
Oh, look at that. parrot.
बिहार आ गए बिहार आ गए बिहार आ गए
Parrots have been
खामोशी सर अडीर छोड़ना
building the park. Minding their own business. She's just like Sharon. He doesn't want any fame.
Let's. So, yeah, look at these parrots.
फालू लग रहा फालू लग रहा
Parrots and doves.
Girlfriend is in a so
Can you give me some please?
Look, madam. That's what I'm going to push you. Arab, stop back.
Red parrot just throws the food, and look at the other birds and the peacocks and everyone and the parrots. They just came around having their food, and the voices are so satisfying. Oh, look at this red one. He's just sitting alone.
hello
Yeah, look at this peacock with open feathers.
Who is screaming?
So we'll be moving forward now.
Peacock has escaped from behind.
Come on, let's go.
Bird magnet. We should go mine finish.
बस वो वजू हुआ से
What? Alright.
देखिए जोड़ा देना भाई क्लिप कट के
That this is the ochri. That.
This huge parrot is letting the small parrot eat.
Palu, 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 palu.
Spider-Man, spider parrot.
Now parrot.
Oh, mashallah.
Cute.
Look at the blue ones.
Yeah, look at the white one.
Yes.
Whoa! Oh, he got the hawk haircut.
Yeah. Spiky.
The grey parrot has a straight.
Shata narashing, mafuna pagirawali.
Play, play.
No.
Go there. Go there.
Go, 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 go.
You need to have your pictures here. No, don't do it. Salma, don't. Now come here.
Go down. Daddy, daddy, the huge one. The yellow one's huge.
Yeah. Look at these yellow parrots.
They're huge. What the heck are they eating? Apple skin?
Apple, they are eating apple or something.
Here, here. Come here.
Oh, look at
Evil.
this.
Evil eyes.
Eating.
You did a show. You made it. You did it for the content. You did it.
Apples and pears.
You did this for the content.
So that's a fountain for these ducks. I'm just surprised it's winters. They don't feel cold in the water.
A parrot just sung. A parrot just.
Guys, we
Victoria
are
Crown
about
feature.
to leave now. This is a beautiful place, the bird park here at Lakeview. And we suggest you to come here. And it's quite satisfying and soothing.
Yeah.
And do like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. This is Victoria Proud to Wim ending Guys, you have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Bye for now.